Hey everyone, I've got another cool Fisher-Price Little People collector set to show you today. It's the Rolling Stones. Look how cool they are. So we start out here on the left with Ronnie Wood. He joined the group in 1975, playing the bass, guitar, backing vocals. And next to him is Mick Jagger. Been with the group since they formed in London in 1962. He sings the lead vocals and is very, very popular. Next to him is Keith Richards, right here. And he plays the guitar very well. Another very popular member of this group. Also original to the band when they formed in London in '62. And this guy on the far right is Charlie Watts. He was also an original member, the drummer, and Wikipedia says that unfortunately he passed away in 2021. And Steve Jordan is now the drummer for the Rolling Stones. So I want to bring this a little closer so you can see the characters more closely. They had lots of hits from the 60s to the 70s and some great songs. My favorite songs are I Can't Get No Satisfaction, Get Off My Cloud. Those were both from '65. Paint It Black, I love that song, in '66. Jump a Jack Flash in '68. Love the graphics here on the back as well. It's got the four guys in their caricatures of the Little People look. Another great song. It's only rock and roll, but I like it. Fisher-Price Little People. And then here on the side of the box, it shows them with each one of their names. I also love the packaging on the front, how they're inside this open mouth lips, which is their signature icon. You've seen t-shirts and lots of different Rolling Stones memorabilia that has that lips logo on it. I did find out that they released a new album in October 2023 called Hackney Diamonds with all original songs. And I understand it's their 14th #1 album in the UK. So I haven't heard any of those songs, but I'm going to check them out. And I hope that you like my Little People Rolling Stones video. They're super cool. My husband got these for me, and I'm glad to add them to my collection. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.